Hello everyone, I'm Alonzo Johnson. I'm a past student of Church Teachers College, graduated in 2021, currently a teacher at Belleair High School. My college experience was a most interesting one. I've learned the value of education and the fact that if we want to become something good in life, then we must take our education seriously and just to ensure that we do our very best to make our families proud. I want to send really a message to all youth out there that, I know at a time now, you're kinda all over the place. You don't know where you're gonna be years from now, and you don't know what decisions to make. And so peer pressure and all of that affecting all of your decisions. But what I want to ask you to do is to sit and think about a future that you would want to have, a job you would want to have, the type of family, the money you would want to have, all of that, and make a plan of how you're going to get there. That's what I did years ago. Essentially, where I am now is as a result of what I sat down and planned and decided that this is the life that I wanted to have. I got a message from somebody years ago, just as you're getting a message from me now, that if in fact you want to accomplish anything and the good life and the big dreams that you may have, that you must sit, you must plan, and you must decide exactly what you want to do and where you would want to be in life. So, listen intently, follow my instructions, and years from now, just as I'm here and I'm encouraging you, you too will be able to encourage somebody else.
Hi everyone, I am Samantha Anderson representing for FRESCO I-Value. So I'm here to tell you about my college experience here at Church Teachers College. The first day I came was actually my worst day. Because of financial restraints, I was actually being sent home, but my family worked something out for me and here I am on my final leg. College has been fun for me, but it has also been very tiresome. But I do appreciate the experience because it has made me into somebody that I actually like and somebody that my nieces and nephews can look up to.
And this is God's calling, well, my calling, God's timing, and God redirecting. So I remember at the last year of sixth form, I was pretty much uncertain what I wanted to become or what I wanted to do afterwards. I went to sixth form with it because of football. So that was the main intention. After the final match, I got a call for trials for the Jamaica under 21. That time I was 18. I went there. It was a great experience. I got selected, came to Manchester, again to Kingston, all over Jamaica. When I got selected in the team to go to the Cayman Islands in December, in August that summer, I got a call from a lecturer here, which is Patrick Graham, and he was offering me a scholarship to come to this school, a full scholarship to come to this school. And I was super excited, but it came to a point where I had to make a decision.
It was the first semester where we would be doing an actual examination, face-to-face examination during COVID. I struggled with internet difficulties and my computer actually crashed mid-semester. So I was behind with coursework. I had no recording. All the recordings that I downloaded for examination to study, all of them went. Nobody had a copy. So at that time, I felt like giving up. However, after basically C's and failing basically that semester, what I did was next semester, I basically wrote my letter and I got the opportunity to do them by the grace of God, to do over the semester, and I did. And here I am. as a graduate, and I'm so happy to be here. Well, to be finished.
My most memorable experience is when I met someone who is special to me, my daily dose of fried chicken. My daily dose of fried chicken, my daily dose of laughter, my motivator, and someone who comforts me throughout my bad moments, my good moments, and that person is always here with me. And I must say that I have met 2 or 3 other persons who are my daily dose of laughter just the same. I think one of our most memorable experience would be, what would it be now? Oh, one of the most memorable experiences when a friend of mine said that she was planning to faint on the most important day because she was told that she's not going to sit, she cannot get out of the chapel, so she decided that she's going to faint. And I said to her, remember your shoes? And the person said to me, no, make a drop good, so just catch me when me a drop. That was a memorable experience for us, and a good laughter. It's not a big memory, but something to remember.
So my college experience was one that took a very uncertain tone because we were expected to be groomed. Our orientation took a different feeling because we had to. So we had to basically wake up early hours. We had to be bubbling if we were late, and we had to have a very respectful mentality. I didn't expect to start our college on that term or in that way. I expected to start college being very vibrant, being able to meet new friends, but I did not expect to wake up that early. But that is needed for the profession.
4 years of hard labor, hard tenuous work. I started first year. When I started first year, I started without even my tuition being paid. But thanks be to God, I was given the ministry scholarship, and I have been on the scholarship for 4 years. I maintained a 3.0 average and ended with the ministry scholarship.
All right. So basically now I'm finishing up. I have a lot of coursework still doing. Even though I wore a gown today, I still have coursework to do. However, I loved CTC. It was a twist, you know? It's not like your normal teacher's college, you know? And I'm very happy for Church Teachers College.
Now, I remember in second year, there were Sundays when I didn't have food to eat, and I still made it through. Thank God, I've covered 4 years and now I graduate.
Make a decision to continue with the national team or make a decision to continue my education. And I'm here today, so we know the decision that I'm saying to say this. When I came here, there's a lot of struggles and there's a lot of things for students to do in order to keep a scholarship, academic-wise, but I can say sports scholarship is pretty much different. There's a lot of criteria to fill. There's a lot of things for you to do outside. So balancing school and sport is pretty much hard. And I mentioned about my failure and all of that. However, I'm proud to say that when I came here in first year, there was 12 persons on the sports scholarship. And today in fourth year, there's only 3 persons. And I am among the 3, 2 females and myself. And I'm not from a rich family or a family who have it to say I come from Hanover. And we know the struggles, we know everything and every part of it. But what I state to young people or young adults is that being dedicated is pretty much important. It is not where you come from, but it's pretty much where you're going. Mindset. That's it for me.
Alright. One of the things that I will take away from this experience is working late nights. When I had research to complete 3 days before the actual due date, I had to stay up all night with my roommates and we had to complete it. It was fun, and it also taught us how to be determined and to persevere.
Being a graduate of Church Teachers College is really an honor. When we came here, we would have came here a little bit rough around the edges, but all the different activities and the different interventions that they would have done through means of different symposiums and different meetings has trained me to be a well-rounded individual. I am now a product of Church Teachers College, and I feel more refined, and I realize that I express myself better and I am ready to represent myself in the world of work. Thank you.